Down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'll be doing only stand-up exercises, and the routines will be between 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Now, let's get into it.
Dog wants me up, my girl of you up, my sister of you up, my friends them of you up. Straight crazy, from we making money we fi share it, dog. The Benz that down we fi steer it, dog. The best set of clothes we fi wear it, dog. From me touching at the studio up here it, dog. Mommy, nothing can't do good for you. Me want buy a nice car and give you. My happy boss one day like me, cause I want own house big like Rio. My mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister have you up, my friends them have you up. Yo, lost, if we a drive the dog, them a drive too. If we a fly the whole of them a fly too. True your success, but mine not like you. Can your name to the cops a try to spite you, but we not pray people. Cause the AC cool like vehicle. Plus the career a fly like eagle. Firm yard we run the road like diesel. Dog wants me up, my mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister for you up, my friends them off you up. Wants me up, everybody have you up, everybody have you up. Father God, please don't change me from who I am. Dog wants me up, my mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister have you up, my friends them have you up. But no, I'm not gonna be able to help everybody, but I'm gonna help all of whom I can, understand? I make sure so the people that may help can help somebody else. Na 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 na. Wants me up. Hear me no loss, hear me no Drake crazy. We have to get the bus one day, I know if no but no maybe. Dog wants me up, my mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister have you up, my friends them have you up. Straight crazy, from we making money we fi share it, dog. The Benz that down we fi steer it, dog. The best set of clothes we fi wear it, dog. From me touching at the studio up here it, dog. Mommy, nothing can't do good for you. Me want buy a nice car and give you. My happy boss one day like me, cause I want own house big like Rio. My mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister have you up, my friends them have you up. Yo, lost, if we a drive the dog, them a drive too. If we a fly the whole of them a fly too. True your success, but mine not like you. Can your name to the cops a try to spite you, but we not pray people. Cause the AC cool like vehicle. Plus the career a fly like eagle. Firm yard we run the road like diesel. Dog wants me up, my mommy have you up, my daddy have you up, my family have you up. Dog wants me up, my girl have you up, my sister have you up, my friends them have you up. Wants me up, everybody have you up, everybody have you up. Father God, please don't change me from who I am. Dog wants me up. My mommy have you up. My daddy have you up. My family have you up, up, up. Dog wants me up. My girl have you up. My sister have you up. My friends them have you up, up, up. But no, I'm not going to be able to help everybody. But I'm going to help all of whom I can, understand? I make sure so the people that may I help can help somebody else. Na 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 no. Wants me up. Hear me no loss. Hear me no Drake crazy. We have to get the boss one day. I know if no but no maybe. Wants me up.
Alright my peeps, thanks for tuning in, really appreciate it guys. Please to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and click the notification bell. Until tomorrow, stay safe.
Watch me ask you down, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink